Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about laws of exponents. So first of all let us discuss what is base, what is power. So if I write 2 to the power 3, now in this term 2 is known as base and 3 is known as power or exponent or index. Okay. So if I write 2 to the power 3, it means 2 multiplied 3 times. Okay, it means the answer will be 8. Same way, if I write 3 into 3, we can write it as 3 to the power 2. Now let us take one more example. If we have 4 into 3, now here you can see the base are different, so we cannot write any power in this term. One more example, suppose we have 3 to the power 2. What we can write? 3 into 3. Same way, if we have 63 into 63 into 63, then we can write it as 63 to the power 3. We must ensure the base must be same to convert it in the exponential form. Now let us move to the laws of exponent and let us know what is first law. So as per law 1, if we are having same base but different power, for example 5 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 3. Now what I am saying, if we are having same base and different power and we are having multiply symbol in between, then base will get common and power will get added. So we can write it as 5 to the power 10. One more example, suppose we have 63 to the power 2 into 63 to the power 4 into 63 to the power 3. So we can see here the base are same but the powers are different. So what we can write? Base will get common and the power will get added, or it will be 63 to the power 9. I hope the first law of exponent is clear to you. Now let us move to second law, law 2. As per this law, if we have same base but different power and we are having divide symbol in between, now what will happen? Base will get common and power will get subtracted. Okay, so it will be 5 to the power 4. Now one more example, suppose we have 63 to the power 2 into not into, it will be divide 63 to the power 4. Now what will happen? 63 will get common and power will get subtracted. So how much it will be? 63 to the power minus 2. The power may be in positive or may be in negative. Law 3. If any number we have, suppose 9 and the power is 0, so answer will be 1. What I mean to say, any number having power 0, the answer will be 1. Whatever number we have, if the power is 0, the answer will be 1. Let us move to law 4. If we are having something like this one, 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 2. So what we can write? The power will get multiplied. So we can write it as 5 to the power 4. One more example. Suppose 125 to the power 5 whole to the power 2. What will happen? Power will get multiplied. So 5 to the 10. One more example. Suppose 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 whole to the power 2. So how we can write? 3 2 into 2 2 into 3 into 2. What we can write? The answer will be 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Okay, so you must remember all these laws that I am explaining here. Next is law 5. Now as per this law, if we are having different power, if we are having different base but power are same, we are having different base but the power is same. Now what happen? Power will get common and the base will get multiplied. Okay, so 3 to the 6 to the power 2. One more example. Suppose we are having 5 to the power 3 into 6 to the power 3. What we can write it as? 5 into 6 to the power 3. Power will get common and the base will get multiplied. So 6 5 is 30 to the power 3. Law 6. Same way, if we are having different base, suppose 5 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2, and in the middle it is divide. In previous one, in law 5, it was multiply, okay, and here it is divide. So what will happen? Power will get common. We can write the answer like this way. One more example. Suppose 4 to the power 9 divided by 2 to the power 9. Power is same, base is different. So how we can write? 4 by 2 whole to the power 9, or we can write it as 2 to the power 9. Last but very important, law 7. Now what is law 7? If any base is having negative power, so we have to write it like 1 by 2 to the power 3. If we want to make the power positive, we have to write like 1 by 2 to the power 3. Same way, if we are having exponential form like 1 by 3 to the power 5, we can write it as 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, I hope all these laws are clear to you. These laws are very important. So take your own example and practice it well. Thank you.